this article with you because it's in Japanese. Hello there, this is Yamamoto Toshihiko from Yamamoto Property Advisory in Japan. Today I'm going to quickly share an article on Nikkei, which is discussing the latest market situation of new condominiums in Tokyo metropolitan area. The price has been very steady and looks like the demand from the consumers are actually becoming a little bit sluggish. And this article is discussing the background why this market is becoming sluggish and why the price is still so high. And it was quite an interesting article, so I'm going to quickly share this article with you because it's in Japanese. Here we go. Okay, this is the article in Nikkei. This chart is showing the average price of the new condominiums between 1992 to 2019. And it says the first half of 2019, the number of the sales of the new condominium is the lowest since 1992, and this graph is showing the actual average price of the new condominiums in Tokyo area, Greater Tokyo area. As you can see, it's been very steady since, let's say, 2010, right? It's been up, especially from the 2011. It's been up, and the actual price comparison. Let's say this is the latest price of the new condominium, about 60 million yen on average in Tokyo metropolitan, which is quite expensive, I think. Very few people can really afford this kind of level. And the average price of the new condominium in 25 was only about 45 million yen. So the price has been up by something like 33%. It's quite steep movement, and yet the number of the sales is the lowest. Well, simply because I think the price is becoming too high. And this is the background of this high price of the new condominiums. According to Nikkei, chikajosho, which means the land price is very expensive, and very limited lands which are suitable for condominium development is in shortage, and the labor cost to construct the new condominiums is very high. It's been very high, and those big developers like Sumitomo Mitsui, they don't really provide any discount to the consumers. So they have been taking very strong sales strategy, and so they don't give any discount to the consumers. And we are having a lot of another reason is we are having many foreign tourists, and the hotel segment of the industry is very active right now as well. So hotel companies are buying the land, and as you can imagine, hotel industries and the real estate new developers actually competing for this very similar land, because both of them want to have the convenient locations hotel needs to be close to the station. They want the central areas. Hotels, people, industries also want central locations like Shinjuku, Shinagawa, Shibuya, right? And those developers want to have the very similar location as well. And now Japan is now facing kind of very dynamic change about how we work, and it's called hataraki kata kaikaku, the revolution on how to work. And the companies actually really not forcing their employees to work for long hours, which has been very traditional in Japan, but the companies are facing basically the very acute labor shortage. So they have to look after their employees more carefully, and which is not really helping the industry either. In October, the consumption tax of Japan will increase from 8% to 10%. And previously, when we had increase from 5 to 8, last time, actually, when the consumption tax increased, there was an increase. A lot of people rushed ahead and buy the condominiums because they didn't want to pay the additional the tax. But this time around, the industry is not really seeing the similar activities, similar movement by the consumers. But obviously, some of the critics in the industries are really concerned. Overall, the Japanese population is shrinking. So why do we want to have more and more new condominiums? So, but we'll see. Okay, this is the quick update of the Japanese new condominium market, especially in Tokyo area. Alright, that's it for today. See you later. Bye.